All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is William James, and in this video, I want to show you how anyone can make up to $3,000 per month working from home without selling, recruiting, marketing, talking to a single person, making videos, doing any of that stuff, okay? All you're going to be doing is some mindless data entry work for about an hour a day, and if you do what we're going to teach you how to do, you can spend an hour a day clicking some buttons and make up to $3,000 per month. Now, obviously, it's not going to start out your first day making that kind of money, but if you build it up and you stay consistent and you follow what we're going to teach you, after a few months, you should be able to get an income that's up to $3,000 per month without having to talk to anyone or do any sort of marketing or selling at all. Okay. Now, what we're going to teach you is super simple. It's really not complicated at all. But what we have here is, you may have heard of these survey sites and data entry type sites, and usually they don't really work very well. You make like 2 cents for your work and so forth. And what we've done here is we found a site that's about 10 years old, and what we're going to do is actually give you some insider tricks, which are super simple. But if you do them, it's actually going to open the floodgates and allow you to make real serious income doing this. You see, most people just don't know the insider information about how to make this work. So that's what we're going to teach you here. And once you know that, you're going to be able to sit down at your computer for less than an hour a day, click a few buttons, and pull in a full-time income. Okay. Now, on the next page, you're actually going to see more information about this, proof. We're going to show you inside the back office, proof of payments, and we're actually going to hear from a 12-year-old little girl who was doing this and making a serious amount of money, right? I mean, it's that easy. Like a 5-year-old could do it, right? You just click some buttons, and if you follow what we show you to do, it will work for everyone. All right, so I'm super excited about this because there's so many opportunities out there online, and people get into them, wanting to make money, and they find that they have to learn how to sell and recruit and market and, make videos and talk to people. And it's like, it's just too hard, right? With this, everyone who gets in will start making money from day one. And it's not going to be a huge amount of money on day one, but if you stay consistent and you do what we teach you, it will grow by itself until you are making $3,000 per month. So if that sounds like a cool thing to you, click the button below. And just to be completely straightforward and honest with you, obviously, yes, you can make more money by referring other people. That's why I'm telling you about this, okay? Just to be completely straightforward, right? But you do not need to refer other people to make money. You can just do the work itself and make up to $3,000 per month. Okay, so on the next page, you're going to hear all about this, the details of how it works and how you can get started. But for now, just click the button below, go to the next page, and we'll talk later. Bye.